Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, One Feisty Mama. Today we are doing a slime video, finally, much to my kids' request. But we're getting started right now by pouring some glue into a big bowl. And for this recipe, you'll use 1 cup of Elmer's glue. So I'm just letting Haley pour that in, most of it, and I'm gonna help her get the rest of it out. And then to the Elmer's glue, we're gonna add 10 to 15 drops of food coloring. This is a fluffy slime recipe and we're gonna make 2 batches. It made a decent amount per batch. So if you have 2 smaller kiddos, you could definitely just do 1 batch of this with 1 color. But we did 1 batch for Haley and 1 for Colton, and then Hank kind of shared a little bit of each of theirs. So Haley is done mixing all that color in, and now we're gonna add 2 cups of Barbasol shaving cream. Sorry if you can hear my kids yelling in the background. But we're adding the shaving cream now, and Haley wanted to help squirt it out, but her little fingers were getting tired. Okay, so I'm just making sure everything's incorporated really well together so far, and then we're gonna add the liquid fabric starch or laundry starch, and that is 1/2 cup. And it says that if the slime is still really sticking together that you can add more. And I added in some more food coloring because Haley's was super pale after we added in the white shaving cream. It really diluted the color, so make sure you add enough. We only did like 5 drops of the purple before, so I added in a good amount to make it more colorful. Look at this sneaky little monster on the counter. He's so wanting to mix everything up himself. This was by far the easiest slime recipe we've ever done, and it was super quick and it made awesome slime and a lot of it, and it was super fluffy and easy for the kids to work with. It wasn't messy like with borax, so this is the way to go for sure, and this is how we'll make slime in the future. Truth be told, I actually really hate slime and I don't like making it with the kids, but this recipe was really easy and it took a little bit of the stress out of it. Hank actually got a bunch of slime stuck to our brand new sectional right after this, and luckily I was able to remove all of the excess that I could, and then I put some vinegar on a paper towel and dampened the area that had the slime on it, and it came right off. Thank goodness, because I was freaking out. So yeah, slime in a brand new house, definitely not something you want to do, but we're going to go through the recipe one more time now to make it for Colton. Now we're getting started on Colton's slime. We already added the cup of Elmer's glue to the bowl, and we made sure to use enough food coloring for his. He chose a green color, and it actually comes out a really cool neon green color, and it's perfect for Halloween. And now we're adding our 2 cups of shaving cream. It went a little bit over, but there were some voids in the bottom of the glass, so I filled it to the top to make sure that we had enough in there. And last ingredient on this batch is our half of a cup of the laundry starch. Get it all mixed up and then it's ready to play with. So it was actually really easy cleanup too. I put the bowl in the sink and added in some hot soapy water and it cleaned up really easily. So this slime recipe I would say is definitely a win, especially with how easy it was to make. It's very, very minimal with the steps that you need and ingredients. So nothing too overwhelming, and the kids got right to town playing with it, and it lasted and held up really well. It wasn't sticking to the countertop, it wasn't sticking to their hands. They just needed to work with it for a little bit and then it was good to go. And we ended up storing it in some Ziploc bags. I also wanted to mention that we ordered this big jug of Elmer's glue off of Amazon last year, and it actually lasted the whole year, so worth the investment. Just wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up as well. Leave me a comment down below if this is a recipe that you would try out with your kids, and as always guys, thanks for watching. Bye.